Imagine stepping onto a planet that looks almost exactly like Earth. Same size, similar gravity, located right next door in our solar system. Now, imagine dying in less than 1 second. This isn't science fiction. This is Venus, the most dangerous planet in our solar system. People often ask, can humans live on Venus? Or at least, can we survive there for a short time? The answer is terrifying. Not only can humans not live on Venus, we wouldn't survive even 1 minute. And today, we're going to explain exactly why. Chapter 1. Venus, Earth's evil twin. Venus is often called Earth's twin. Why? Nearly the same size as Earth, similar mass, similar gravity, rocky surface. From space, Venus looks calm, beautiful, covered in thick golden clouds. But those clouds hide something deadly. Venus is not just hot, it is a planet-sized furnace. Chapter 2. The temperature that melts metal. Let's talk about Venus temperature. The surface temperature of Venus is around 465 derajat Celcius, 869 derajat Fahrenheit. That is hotter than Eurovin at maximum setting. Lava in some volcanic eruptions. The planet Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the sun, yes, Venus is hotter than Mercury. Why? Because Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect. Its atmosphere is about 96% carbon dioxide. That thick blanket of gas traps heat like a prison. Heat enters. It never escapes. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. Now imagine landing there. Your skin wouldn't just burn. It would cook. Your spacesuit would begin to fail almost instantly. And within moments, your body temperature would rise uncontrollably. But temperature is only the beginning. Chapter 3. The crushing pressure. Here's something even worse than the heat. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is about 92 times stronger than Earth's pressure. That's equivalent to being 900 meters underwater, almost 1 kilometer beneath the ocean. Without protection, your lungs would collapse. Your body wouldn't explode like in movies, but you would be crushed slowly and painfully. Even the strongest human-made submarines struggle at that depth. Now, imagine standing there. No more escape. No more shelter. Just crushing pressure from every direction. Chapter 4. The acid rain from hell. The clouds of Venus are not made of water. They are made of sulfuric acid. Yes, acid. If you were floating in the upper atmosphere, you wouldn't drown in water. You would dissolve in acid rain. The atmosphere constantly produces thick clouds of corrosive chemicals. Any exposed metal begins to corrode. Any unprotected material begins to decay. Even spacecraft sent to Venus barely survive. Chapter 5. The Soviet spacecraft that proved it. During the Cold War, the Soviet Union sent spacecraft to Venus under the Venera program. One of them, Venera 13, landed successfully. It survived for about 127 minutes. Then it died. Not because of impact, not because of malfunction, but because Venus destroyed it. If advanced spacecraft barely last 2 hours, how long would a human survive without extreme protection? Less than a minute, maybe less than 10 seconds. Chapter 6. The toxic atmosphere. Let's answer this clearly. Can humans breathe on Venus? No. Venus's atmosphere contains 96% carbon dioxide, almost no oxygen. Toxic sulfur gases. You would suffocate instantly. Even if temperature and pressure didn't kill you, you couldn't breathe. There is no air. There is only poison. Chapter 7. The winds that move like a hurricane planet. Here's something strange. On the surface, winds are slow, but in the upper atmosphere, winds reach speeds of 360 kilometers per hour. The entire atmosphere rotates faster than the planet itself. Venus takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but its atmosphere circles the planet in just 4 days. It's like the sky is constantly racing around the planet. Chapter 8. Why Venus is more dangerous than Mars. Many people compare Venus and Mars. Mars is cold. Venus is hot. Mars has low pressure. Venus has crushing pressure. If you remove your helmet on Mars, you might survive for a few seconds before suffocating. On Venus, you would experience immediate overheating, lung collapse, toxic exposure, equipment failure. Venus doesn't just kill you, it overwhelms you from every direction. Chapter 9. Could we ever live there? Some scientists have proposed floating cities in Venus's upper atmosphere at around 50 kilometers above the surface. Temperature is lower, pressure is closer to Earth's. But even there, the air is acidic. The environment is unstable. Radiation exposure is extreme. It would require technology far beyond what we have today. So when people ask, can humans live on Venus? The realistic answer is not on the surface. Not now. Maybe never. Chapter 10. What would happen if you landed there right now? Let's imagine the worst case scenario. You step out of a spacecraft onto Venus. Second satu. You feel intense heat. Your suit alarms scream. Second lima. Pressure crushes against your body. Second 10. Cooling systems begin failing. Second 20. Internal temperature rising rapidly. Second 30. Breathing impossible. Under 1 minute. Systems fail. Survival impossible. Venus gives you no second chance. Chapter 11. Why Venus became hell. Scientists believe Venus was once more like Earth. It may have had oceans, cooler temperatures, a stable climate, but a runaway greenhouse effect changed everything. As the sun heated Venus, water evaporated, carbon dioxide increased. Heat became trapped. The planet entered a permanent thermal catastrophe, and now it is the most extreme example of climate change in the solar system. Chapter 12. The real lesson from Venus. Venus isn't just a deadly planet. It's a warning. It shows what happens when greenhouse gases spiral out of control. It shows how a world can change completely. It shows how fragile planetary balance really is. Conclusion. So why will humans never survive on Venus? Because Venus combines extreme temperature, crushing pressure, toxic air, acid clouds, planet-wide greenhouse effect. It is not just dangerous. It is instantly lethal. Venus may look like Earth's twin, but it is Earth's nightmare. And if we ever forget how hostile the universe can be, Venus is waiting to remind us.